The Nasty Party are back. All of you will see your incomes fall in real terms by between 3 and 7% over the next 5 years. And at the same time, I'll make my banking and hedge funds friends even richer. The least deserving will become the wealthiest. Vote Tory. Vote for vindictiveness. Vote for a nasty, brutish and short future for all of you lot. Why do you need schools and hospitals? Can't you afford Eton?
Whoa!
Vote Conservative. Vote for a worse future. And I know all I need to do, having ripped your jobs apart, having taken your homes from you, is just to start a war. Or talk about asylum seekers or Europe. And then you'll vote Tory again. Vote for the Nasty Party. Vote Conservative. None of these socialist people know anything about the economy. Well, I know something about the economy because my grandfather was a stockbroker and my father was a stockbroker, and I'm so proud of that. That's how I got to Eton. That's what got me into the Bullingdon Club. None of you lot got in the Bullingdon Club. Vote Conservative. Vote for a future that's nasty, brutish and short. Vote for me.